Everyone. Welcome to this beautiful Lion Tree portal today, and we hope you have a wonderful journey with Lion. God bless you.
Yeah. So here we begin. What is Lion Gates and how does this affect us? I am afraid that I'm not going to see any of you today, and cause as I said, there is a challenge. I'm coming after a long time on Facebook, and to begin with, please pardon me for being absconding for such a long time from the complete life area. I was studying, I was upgrading myself, and had multiple things on hand. But we really missed you, and Shruti, we really missed you. We were constantly available for all the things from past many months. So, to all those people who've been watching us and being with part of us, a very warm welcome. And today, with the special grace of God, we wish you abundance and happiness in your journey. What is Lionsgate? Lionsgate is all about a journey within us. Each one of us are born dedicated to a masculine power in us. There's a beautiful masculine power which comes with each one of us, and it is we are born with both the energies which empower us, a Durga and a Shiva in us, as like Parvati and Shiva in us. We have this energy, we are born with energy, but because it's Lion Gate, and to make it a little bit more Indian and traditional, it's very simple. I would want to tell each one here who's viewing us that how those who worship Ma Durga, they know that she sits on a lion and she has that the lion empowers her. Lion आपको empower करता है और आपको open करता है to receive the complete abundance from the world. Lion is us, one of the janmas. हम एक हमारा जन्म animal life भी होता है. Lion is a totem energy and animal totem energy. हम इस animal totem energy को जब अपनी body में लाते हैं तो हम उससे बहुत और बहुत ज़्यादा receive करते हैं. This energy is beautiful, powerful. Each one of us at any point of time has lived into this energy. ये energy हमारे साथ कहीं ना कहीं किसी ना किसी time पे रही है, किसी birth में रही है. So it is time to receive most powerful time with this energy. Be it a man or a woman, you don't have to be worrying whether ये हमारे लिए है कि नहीं है. Believe it or not, Lion is a very powerful animal. If you look at it, जब आप अपने आप को deeply सोचते हैं, देखते हैं, महसूस करते हैं, कई बार most of us हम जंगल में रह रहे हैं, हम बहुत मेहनत करते हैं, and we say we don't receive the way we should be receiving from what we work. हमारे काम पूरे नहीं होते, हमारे काम हमारे साथ नहीं होते. Why do we have this with us? It's because most often we exhaust ourselves completely क्योंकि हमें इतनी ज़्यादा मुश्किल होती है. So we are like normal, common animals of the jungle. But when you are a lion, you sit down calmly, you wait for your prey to come, and then you plan the complete energy, how and when I will attack and bring the sprawl back. आप पूरी तरह से चार्ज आप होके उस एनर्जी को लेते हैं और अपने अंदर लेके आते हैं. Today the session is very beautiful. Me and Shruti have designed this complete unique session for you. We are going to be meditating with you. Post the meditation जो आपको लाइन ने जवाब सवाल दिए हैं, as always we're going to be channeling you, both me and Shruti, and telling you that what exactly आपकी जिंदगी में अच्छा बुरा कैसा होने वाला है. So it's a complete cycle. All those who are sitting, we only ask you to spare your precious next 45 minutes with us. हम 45 minutes से ज़्यादा आपके साथ नहीं रहेंगे. All those who are watching us right now, a very humble request, if you can, share the video right now at this minute and add people on screen with us. We have actually going to be giving you an empowerment, and we are actually going to be channeling each one of you in a very beautiful energy. There are 2-3 ways to it. One of that is, first you sit down calmly, wear your ear headphones like how we have worn our ear headphones for you, and you wear your ear headphones and breathe in and breathe out. place your feet on the floor or sit comfortably on the bed. बाकी का काम हम पे छोड़ दीजिए, मैं और श्रुति आपके लिए काम करेंगे. And post that, when we start the meditation, try and channel, because हमारी energies दोनों की मिला के आपको आज पहुंचेंगी. Together, we're going to be giving you some marvelous effect. Anyone has any pain can register it in your head. One pain. I repeat, one pain. It shouldn't be मेरी पूरी body में दर्द हो रहा था, गया नहीं. Please register it and talk about it. You can write it right now in the comments and say ये pain है. And once it goes away, please come back sharing the experience with us. Anyone who has any anxiety right now can write it, and Shruti will take care of it, how it goes out of your body. Anyone has any money issues, any obstacles, please write it in your mind. Write a date, time, minute. कब तक आप इसको करना चाहते हैं? Write it in your mind. Last but not the least, I would tell each one of you to share the video right now to gain it, because the more you gain, the more you receive from the animal totem. So start sharing the video, and those who can't join us now in the live can also do this channeling till tomorrow 8 o'clock. You can do this channeling 8 o'clock, and we shall keep the complete energy, the complete chi open for a very, very long time. We shall keep it open, those who want to take it from us, because there is a system to take it from us. So you can anytime want to feel that we want to do this complete line energy practice, you can just write it in the comment and say, ma'am, I'm taking this. Me and Shruti will bless you at that minute and send you the energy. And you can take this energy over any time later, but you will have to come back asking from us. It's not possible that if you go back 10 days from now and you say, can we take this energy? It will be a little challenge, but I'm sure it's open. You can just receive it. So for now, all those who are sitting with us, just charge up your body. Just have a glass of water next to you. If you can burn a candle or something, it's okay. If you can have a paper and a pencil, it's okay. If you don't have, just relax, breathe in. And with this, I hand you over to Shruti, and here she takes it on for the next journey. And as we begin our lives from now, Shruti, over to you.
Thank you so much, Mridula, and welcome aboard, everyone. So happy to be here. For the first time, Mridula and I are doing a live together. So thank you so much for joining us today. And the energies today are amongst the best possible at this time of the year, or any time of the year. In fact, 8/8 is one of the most wonderful places to be in. This is when the Sirius, which is also a very, very bright planet, is a star, is seen in the sky. It's supposed to be 26 times brighter than our very own sun. So the energies coming to you are multiplied that many times. So you will receive the blessings that many times more. It's like कुछ चाहिए तो हम सूर्य देवता को मानते हैं, इस बार हमारे पास 26 times बड़े सूर्य देवता हैं. So put your energies together with me and Mridula and see the magic happen. And keep sharing so that you keep multiplying those energies even further. It's already done 26 times by the universe to you, so you can increase it even more. And also there is a lot of cosmic storm happening at the moment. There's a lot of energy, a lot of negativity all around us. But all of us who are here are some way blessed, because our energies are so much better and higher compared to the others. And we are dealing with things with definitely more ease and more grace than as for the others are concerned. This is what the life is also all about. In fact, the ancient Egyptians used to believe that this is the new year for them, because they used to think or they imagined an alchemic marriage between Sirius, the star, or the sun of the spiritual world, and our sun. And this was celebrated, and the river Nile we would overflow with abundance and fertility during this time, and bring in a lot of prosperity. And that is the same prosperity that what we are looking for today. So let's recalibrate our frequency and absorb the beautiful stellar powers, the stellar codes that the universe is letting us with. And the earth is also undergoing a frequency shift, like I told you, so we need to assimilate and absorb only what we need. We want to reawaken ourselves, receive from all sides, and both physically and with the emotional qualities, right? We all have issues, physical issues and emotional issues. And I'll tell you something like we are all made out of Panch Tattva, after they earth, fire, water, air, and ether. And similarly, there are three more things which are written in our Vedic culture, which is emotion, intelligence, and ego. So 3 and 5 together makes it 8. So we are in the 8th portal again. So let's put all the Indian, the Vedic, the Egyptian knowledge together and move towards becoming what we call the molten gold. That is the golden line that brings all the energy to us. We want this beautiful golden gold to flow through our veins, purifying it. Gold is the purest of all metals. अगर गोल्ड कहीं पे भी गिर जाए कचरे में कूड़े में मिट्टी में आप फिर भी उसको उठाते हो धोते हो और पास में रख देते हो because gold is never pure. So that is what we want to become. We want to become pure by all the turning that's going to happen. Take the blessings of the universe and slowly let's get into a meditative mode where connect with our higher self and see what the line is spoken for us. So let's go to the So let's begin by making yourself comfortable, sitting wherever you are. If you want to share, just put your face on the ground, like Mudula told you, or in the bed, just as possible as possible, and let the energy flow by closing your eyes and beginning to breathe deeply, breathing, hold, and hold, breathing, hold, and exhale. So let's begin. Is there logic that
So all those who can't hear me, maybe they can hear me. I ask you to relax in your bodies. Just breathe in and breathe out. I ask you to completely relax in your bodies and breathe out. Close your eyes for us to start channeling the energies to you. So as Shruti takes you on the next cycle, I ask you to breathe in and breathe out.
So breathe in and out and let the energy flow inside of you. Take your concentration to the center of your forehead, the third eye area, and let the energy flow and keep growing. Connect with your higher selves, higher, further up into the skies, and then keep floating. Feel the energy. Feel as if you are floating in the skies above. We are now moving towards a vast galaxy, the universe. What a beautiful place to be in. See the beautiful clouds float up and spot the beautiful golden staircase that calls out to you now. You are at the base of this beautiful golden staircase. Let's begin to climb one step at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4. How beautiful everything feels right now. 5, 6, 7, overtaking. Feel the joy, the beautiful sensation with every step. We are on step 5. Move further up to step 6, 7, and feel the tingling and excitement as you begin to step on the final step. You are
With every breath, try and move inside your body. Just go deeper and deeper in your body. Become more and more deeper. I'm sure you all are able to hear my voice because you were not being able to hear Shruti's voice. So from here I take on. And Shruti shall take on your reading now. I ask you to go deep, breathe in and out. Try and connect to my powers now as Shruti passes her energies to you. And as you move into this circle of more powerful journey, become more and more deep and deep inside yourself. Start relaxing in your body, keeping both your hands and feet firm. Breathe in and breathe out as the flow starts to get inside your body. Feel the energy getting inside from your body from the top. The white light, the fifth dimension light, enters your body from the top, covers you up completely. Close your eyes and stop getting anxious. Close your eyes and stop getting anxious. We surrender to us. As we both channel you now, the more you move in, the better the answers. And as you breathe in and out, there is a divine energy flowing from the top. The golden light from the top. As this energy moves inside your body, I ask you to take your complete attention on your right hand, feeling the energy getting more and more inside you. Let this energy become one with your body. And as it moves inside your body, see the chakra movement, the rays moving in your fingers. There is a spark happening inside your fingers. Feel the energy moving in. Keeping your hands by your side, letting the energy completely in your body. As you head towards the two huge pillars, with your closed eyes, you see the golden pillars opening up to you. Your body is like a little, big animal energy. You can feel your body completely covered by the line. I ask you to bring both your hands on your chest now. And now bring your fishes on your chest. And as you move towards the line, the gate opens up to the sea. Look around, where have you reached? The complete area is golden. A very powerful area. As I bring the line next to you, you may experience a shiver of your spine, a complete change in vibration. You may feel as if you have the animal standing right next to you. And as you enter the gate, there is a fire burning, a strong fire. I ask you to move up to the fire. And as you go closer to the fire, there's not one line, but there are multiple lines. You're not scared. You're yourself like a lion, a big beast. You can feel the complete energy inside your body of a beast. As you walk deeply towards the fire, your body sways. You're all set to conquer the world. You know it. By all means, it's my world. And all these lionesses who are around you, they start following you because you right now are the king of jungle. You have that power in you, this sprawling energy. You can see your claws. You can see the complete shift in your body. You've lived in this shift in one of your births. Feel it. Regain that power. You start moving towards your den. There is a hill. And as you sprawl up to the hill, you gradually move up and up towards the hill. You're not afraid of climbing the hill at all. As a matter of fact, it's an easy drive for you. You know that I am the king of jungle. I may be a man or a woman, but I'm the king. And you have the complete herd walking behind you. All the lionesses, their pups, their cubs, everyone is walking right behind you. And as you walk up, you see a stream. I ask you to look down into the water. What kind of a face you have? Is that a face of a lioness or a lion? What is this energy you're looking at? Time to ask for your wish. Take a dip in this water. Sip the water. What does it taste like? Does it taste like nectar in your throat? A deep nectar. You definitely feel this powerful energy. You're like that woman, the man, who's so powerful, you are ready to conquer the world. lightning strikes and you look behind, the complete herd is walking behind. You start walking on top of the hill. Your little walks take you up. Your body is completely filled with white light. It moves up, bringing a positive energy in your body. Every time you walk, people bow down to you. You look at them and smile. I know I'm going to be fine. I shall get what I so desire. Money, fame, business, health. I'm going to get what I really want. My life partner. My love life gets better. What is it that is coming to you? And as you walk on top, next to your cave, you go and sit down and look down. The complete world is falling in front of you. Let this energy get inside your body. And as I go quiet for 2 minutes, I ask you to start generating this powerful energy and see the replies are coming in form of a stream, a fire, a line, relationship, heart. What is it that is coming to you? Which form are you receiving your replies? Is it coming to you in form of a heart? I go quiet and ask you. Go deeper and deeper in your body. As you move deeper inside your body, what is it that you're getting? Multiple energy, magnificent light, completely covering your body. And as you move closer, completely comfortable, as if you knew that you've lived in this cave forever. The cave, the mountain of success. It embarks you to a different journey. It embarks you to million lights in your body. And as you get inside, your complete eyes are comfortable to the energy. The cave does not scare you. In fact, it brings you closer to your dreams. All your dreams are getting closer and closer. All your dreams are turning into reality. What is it that the mountain of success is giving you? Receive so that I can channel. As I open you up to this beautiful energy, I ask my light to protect you and get you what is inside. On my count 3 to 1, you will see yourself turning into the animal itself. 3, 2, 1. See yourself yourself getting into the animal body and getting what you so desire. What is it that the animal gave you? What is it that you're trying to receive from? Receive this powerful energy completely. Let it come into your body. Your complete body has changed. It's become silver, golden, pink, green. What is the color which you're facing? And as I raise up your powers to be able to receive what you so desire, one last time you look into the tunnel. See, what is it? Is it fire, relationship, bonfire, fountain of good health, river of financial abundance? What is your animal totem giving you? Take it from him now. Don't doubt, he's there in your body. Is he giving you river of financial abundance? Take it. Receive it. It's given you. Take it in your body. Receive it completely. Is it the relationship coming back into your life? And as you complete it, I ask you one last time to bow down in front of your higher self and the animal energy. Tell him thank you. Convey your gratitude. Start bringing back the energy to your body. I ask you gently to raise up your hands into the air and release any negative energy if you've collected. And now receive only what you so shall get. Go down to this energy and start coming back into your body. Gradually, gradually, gradually. It's definitely giving you a beautiful answer. Take your time, don't rush. Closing up your eyes. Bringing both your hands onto your heart chakra. One on top of the other. Letting this energy come. And as me and Shruti press you, we send the white energy to you. Receive it from us. As you become comfortable, we ask you to release it out. Down to your higher self. Pay your gratitude to him, to the animal energy, us as we let you. See the complete energy whenever you breathe. You may open your eyes and tell us what you experienced. The complete shift has happened in your body. Receive it. Rub your mouth. Gently open your eyes. Whenever you're comfortable, Shruti is all ready to give you your reply. With this, I hand you over to Shruti. Shruti, kindly unmute yourself. Unmute yourself.
Am I audible now?
So Shruti, your first question is with Kamya Malhotra Sood. She says she saw one orange color dot all the time. What is your take on this, please? Kamya, stay online while Shruti replies. People, I'm going to be reading your questions and Shruti is going to be replying to you. Stay tuned.
Kamya, you seem to be holding on to some kind of energies where you're not letting go. You're being a little miser with your love and affections. So you need to work on your sacral chakra a little more and release that, and the abundance will start flowing your way.
So next, congratulations, Kamya. Abundance all the way very soon. Next on my list is Pratibha Kandhari. She saw the lion standing out of the cave with one leg on a rock roaring. What does this goes? The message for her, Shruti.
Pratibha, you are going to succeed in whatever you are planning to do, and that's the roar of a lion. It's coming from within, but there is also some pain, so release that, and it'll start working for you. Abundance will start flowing your way. Just release the pain that you're holding on to through a loud shout. There is a yoga exercise where you can roar and take it out. Try that.
Congratulations, Pratibha, for standing out. This is really an outstanding question from my side. Also, it's the same channeling what Shruti did channel. The only thing is that there is a roar which is getting killed inside you. Please bring out the roar. Next on my list is Jyotsna GV for you, Shruti. She saw a lion sitting on the cliff and accepting gold coins, having this lion energy always inside me, she says. What is your take on this?
So blessed, abundance is flowing your way, but use it sensibly, is what it's saying. The money is going to come, the energies are going to flow, a lot of prosperity, but be sensible about how you use your money. Don't squander it away.
Jyotsna, congratulations. Shruti gave you a brilliant reply. The abundance is already on the way. Please stop validating and take on the light. It is just round the corner. It may be uphill, but it does not mean that it is not there. थोड़ी सी karo and reach up to that. I have Parinita Naidu next on my list for you, Shruti. She was seeing Lord Shiva, which is a very, very beautiful and a rare sight.
Absolutely. With Lord Shiva blessing you, everything will work out. Just keep praying to him. You can do a 11-day mantra jap for Lord Shiva and work on his energies. And give your throat chakra some, and work on your throat chakra a little more.
So Parinita, you can, as for Shruti, you can just work on your little lower chakras, that is the lower portions, and just take up a flight and move forward. That is what she means. You're holding on to yourself first and foremost. The only problem is that you keep having doubt on yourself. Next on my list for you, Shruti, is Netal Raizada. Saw Durga in red sari, long hair, giving me a silver pot. This is completely amazing. What is your take on this?
Oh, I feel she's being blessed by Ban Durga with a lot of abundance, and she needs to start getting her energies together and maybe look towards the moon on Mondays and take the blessings from there as well. And it'll work out for her beautifully.
Excellent, Shruti. Lovely. Netal, I almost channeled the same reply for you. The reply which I channeled, which is coming from the Durga energy, is this, that there is a Durga in you and you are lacking a self-love. You've stopped loving yourself. You've stopped creating abundance in yourself, in your own cycle. So why are you doing this? Create research on your soul. Have you stopped going and talking to your own self? Please do that more often. And one more thing, Netal, kindly look into it. What is the blood condition? Are you bleeding too much or are you bleeding too less? Look into the hormonal imbalance which is happening in your body. Moving on to Rima Talwar, the next for you, Shruti. Any message for me, she says. Rima Talwar.
Rima, look at your old experiences and see there's something that you're holding. There is a silver lining to all the negativity that's happened, but learn from there, envelop yourself in a lot of self-love, which seems to be lacking, and things will start working out for you.
Rima, that's kind of it's very, very strange. Me and Shruti are channeling the same energies at the same time. My channel says that there is something to do with parenting. Are you stuck taking a decision for your child, or are you stuck or worried about your child? So if that is the case, there is no need to worry, because there is something which is going to start. There is something ending and a new beginning happening. Please communicate with your loved ones and your dear ones a little bit more openly. You're expecting too much out of something which is not really going to help you.
Yeah,
So,
don't hold yourself back.
Yeah, so don't hold yourself. Moving on to Manveen Grewal. I went up the mountain with my fellow animals following me. At the top, I saw a golden throne. I sat in that. I wore a crown and a beautiful robe. I saw a swan coming towards me. I saw a golden casket being given to me, blissful and royal. Shruti, your take on it.
I think you're asking for too many things together. You aspire for too much. Take one thing at a time. Life will become easier for you. Don't put your hands in too many things. Let it all flow. It's all going to come to you. But ask for one thing at a time. Don't just let it all come in a jumble. Then it'll cause confusion. A jack of one and a master of none. We don't want that. So just concentrate your energies on what your priorities are. Prioritize your list and then get things going. The abundance will flow.
So well, my channeling for you is a little different from this one. My channel says you are a person who's born with a nature thing. Have you stopped going outside in the open of late, Mrs. Grewal? So in case you have stopped going outside and indulging into indoors activities too much, nature, your plants are calling you. They are asking you that the mountain and the slow which you're feeling in your body and your heart is not there anymore. There is definitely a golden energy popping up all around you. Are you trying to get in touch with somebody, or is it something related to some kind of a news which you're waiting for a very long time, which is locked inside and you don't want to openly talk about it? It's just going to happen, and you're going to be feeling a lot of stress taken away from your body. Are you expecting a money gain from somewhere, or if you're expecting a kind of abundance, then I say very soon, please rechannel your energies. Your energies is research, and do not, your energies are getting depleted. One of your electronic gadgets is actually not working well, which is the reason you're feeling a little lethargic and slow. As Shruti says, you're going away into too many ifs and buts. Just come out of that questionnaire and walk the energy, which is so good for you and it is meant for you. All right. Next on my list is Garima Talwar for you, Shruti, and she says lion roaring.
Oh, that's a beautiful thing. It's giving you a lot of possibilities. This whole horizon is open. The sky is opening up to you. A lot of good energies coming in your way. The boundaries are unlimited. Just go fly with the energy that you're going to get from the lion.
Well, Garima, congratulations. Shruti gave you a beautiful that you're getting a lion roaring energy, which completely says you need to open up yourself. You need to talk about, become a more of a lioness, what you are. Are you planning to teach something or learn something new? If you are into learning something, a skill which you've been wanting to learn for a very long time, if you're wanting to get into that energy, please go ahead. Don't even doubt 1 minute, because that energy is a beautiful energy and it is going to take you to places. So there is definitely